10 amazing facts about Megha Chakraborty. First, Megha Chakraborty is an Indian television and film actress. Second, Megha Chakraborty was born on 3rd May 1991 in Kolkata, West Bengal, India. Third, she gained recognition in Hindi television with her role in Badi Devrani. Fourth, following this, she appeared in shows like Khwabon Ki Zameen Par, Peshwa Bajirao, and achieved household fame with Krishna Chali London. Fifth, in the film Desert Tears, she portrayed the main character Gulal, depicting the challenges faced by women in rural India. Sixth, in November 2020, Megha took on the lead role of Garima Ruhel Rajawat in Katelal and Sons. Seventh, from September 2022 to September 2023, Megha played the role of Imli Atharva Rana in Star Plus Imli. Eighth, her filmography includes roles in Action 2024, Confessions 2018, and The Railwayman 2023. Ninth, in the web series Realm, she starred in Dil-E-Coach 2021. 10th, Megha has also featured in music videos such as Ho Tum Kaha 2021 and Tere Baat Phir Kisi Se 2022. Subscribe the channel.